This is the Avantree HT4189, the headphone plus transmitter set for TV. In this video, you'll find these contents. Upon unboxing, this is what you'll find. Here's an overview of the Avantree AudioCast transmitter. And a simple guide on how to operate the headphones. To set up, first connect a power source to the transmitter using the USB cable we provided, like this. Once connected, flip the switch to on. This Bluetooth LED should now be flashing blue. Next, turn your headphones on by long pressing the multifunction button for 3 seconds. You'll see its LED light turn on. Give it a few seconds. You should see the Bluetooth icon on the transmitter turn solid blue and hear
"Connected,"
indicating that you've successfully paired. Before connecting anything to your TV, check and see which option your TV supports: optical, auxiliary, or RCA. Any one of the three will work. First, the optical port. If you have this option, simply connect the transmitter to your TV using the optical cable we provided. You'll see the OPT indicator on the transmitter light up. Now you should be able to hear your TV through the headphones. If not, check your TV settings to make sure the audio out is set to either digital audio out or external speaker, and that your TV audio format is set to PCM. Next, we'll talk about the auxiliary port. If you have this, it's just as simple. Connect the transmitter to your TV using the auxiliary cable we provided. You should see the AUX indicator on the transmitter light up. Now you should be able to hear your TV through the headphones. If not, check your TV settings to make sure that the TV speaker has been set to headset. Finally, we'll talk about the RCA port. For this option, please only use the ports labeled audio out. The other ones will not work. To get going, connect the RCA to AUX converter cable that we provided to the auxiliary cable, which is also provided, and then connect your TV to the transmitter. Using that, you should see the AUX indicator on the transmitter light up. Now you should be able to hear your TV through the headphones. If not, check your TV settings to make sure your TV speaker is set to external speaker. To charge the headphones, connect a power source to the headphones charging dock using the USB cable we provided. The LED light will turn red while charging. And automatically turn off when it's done. And that's how you use the Avantree HT4189. Thanks for watching.